Alright guys, this is come Dance4REE. Big Moochie did the music for it. I'll be the one. He remixed it. This is for my big sister Aretha, who passed in December. This is dedicated to her. So we're gonna just do a quick walkthrough instruction. 5, 6, 7, and walk right. Turn left. Out right, out left, and jazz. Walk 4 walks. Walk right, out right, out left, jazz square. Walk it right, turn left. Out right, out left. Give me a jazz square. You're doing it all 4 walks. Walk to your right, turn left. Out right, out left, jazz square. Second part. Shake it to your right. Wobble to your left. Give me a beat. Roll twice. Roll and roll. Wobble to your left. Wobble to your right. Give me a beat. Roll and roll. Do it 4 times. Everything is 4 times. Give me a beat. Roll and roll. And again. And roll and roll. And start over. Walk right. Walk left. Out right, out left, jazz square. Walk to your right. It's the whole dance. Out right, out left, jazz square. Walk right. Walk left. Out right, out left, jazz square. Walk right. Part 2 again. Wobble to the right. Wobble to the left. Roll 4 count. Roll and roll. Wobble. Wobble. Roll and roll. Last one. On the side. On the left. On the right. So that is a little quick walkthrough of Come Dance4REE, and it's dedicated to my girl Aretha Johnson Hall, who passed in December. Big Moochie gave me the music last year, and it all came together in December this year. Peace, and I'm Lady D.
Big Moochie, baby.
Walk right, walk left, out right, out left, jazz square. Walk right, walk left, out right, face the back wall, jazz square. Do it again. Walk right, walk left, out right, out left. Give me a jazz. Do it again. Get ready. What we gonna do? Shake it to the low. Wobble to the low. Give me a beat. Double roll. Wobble. Wobble. Roll and roll. Wobble. Wobble. Right, left. Roll and roll. I don't hear y'all saying roll and roll. I need to hear the roll. What we do? Roll and roll. Walk right. Turn left. Out right, out left. Jazz square. Walk. Turn it. Out right. Walk it. Out right, out left. Walk it. What we do? Wobble to our right. Wobble to the right. What we do? Beat step. What we do? Roll and roll. Big Moochie, production, music maker, Big Moochie, baby. 2, 3, turn left. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Everybody got that? Out right, out left. Then jazz square. Got it? Okay, let's do that again. Walk to the right. You're gonna walk right, 2, 3. Turn left, 2, 3. Out right, out left. Give me a jazz square. All 4 walks. Same thing. Turn left. Walk to out right, out left. Give me a jazz square. Walk right, 2, 3. Walk left, 2, 3. Out right, out left. Give me a jazz square. Walk right, 2, 3. Turn left, 2, 3. Give me a out and out. Then jazz square. That's part 1. Easy? Good. Second part of the dance. Watch. We're gonna wobble to the right. Then wobble to the left. Then V square. Then roll and roll. I need y'all to use your arms though, okay? And roll and roll. If you can't, don't worry about the bottom. Just move your shoulders. If you can't, roll your bottom. Y'all know I automatically roll because I got a big butt. So you don't have to. It just happens, you know. Okay? Can't do nothing about it. All right. Or you can stand and shake. If you got beginners that can't do the wobble, they can stand and shake, then stand and shake. Okay? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, roll and roll. On our left this time. Then do it to our right. Then left, right, right. Roll and roll. Wobble to our right. We're gonna do it 4 times. Wobble to our left. Then 1, 2, 3. What we say? Roll and roll. Do it left. Then right. What we do? And roll and roll. See, that's why I like y'all. Y'all make me feel good. Y'all know that? That's why I like y'all. All right, so that's the whole dance in a nutshell, okay? Yes?